Hello friends, today we continue our topic circle. Basically in previous videos I already told you how to calculate the length of tangent and what is the condition of tangency. In this video we see more concept of circle. If some circle is given, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 12y plus c equal to 0, then the center of the circle is minus z comma minus f, and if some point x1 comma y1 on circle from where tangent is drawn to the circle, and if we need to find the equation of this tangent, how we find it? So how we find it? We calculate the slope of OP. Slope of OP is simply y1 plus f upon x1 plus g. So the slope of t is, because both lines are perpendicular, so the slope of t is minus of x1 plus g upon y1 plus f. This is the slope of t. So how to find the how we find the equation of the tangent? Mm, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to this slope minus x1 plus g upon y1 plus f. Okay, so let's multiply both these. So y minus y1 y minus y1 into y plus f equal to minus of x1 plus g into x minus x1. Okay, so let's come make the equation here and combine it. So y minus y1 into y plus f plus x1 plus g into x minus x1 equal to 0. Open it. So we got is y1 plus f. Okay, y1 plus f, and we got minus of y1 का square plus minus of y1f minus of y1f plus x1x plus xg minus of x1 का square minus of x1 का square minus of x1 का g. Okay, so we combine it. Y1 plus x1 plus yf plus xg minus y1 का स्क्वायर minus y1f minus x1 का स्क्वायर minus x1g equal to 0. Okay, and we already know that x1 comma y1 is the point of the circle, so it must satisfy the equation of the circle. So we put it in x1 comma y1 in the equation of circle, in this equation. So we put it x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c equal to 0. So let's replace this with x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1 equal to minus of gx1 minus of fy1 plus c with this. So let's replace it with this, and what we got, y1 plus xx1 plus fy plus gx minus, with the minus of minus plus, so g of x1 plus f of y1 plus c, because this is plus sign here. So let's combine it. So we combine y1 plus x1 plus, let's common it f, so y plus y1 plus common g x plus x1 plus c. So we got, this is the equation of tangent. So like I told you, for equation of tangent at p x1 comma y1 of any second degree curve, remember this, like I made this in a square box, write this. So please remember all these things. So for equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 on any second degree curve, any second degree curve, we, if we replace x square with x1x, y square with y1y, xy with xy1 plus x1y upon 2, and x with x plus x1 by 2, y with y plus y1 by 2, then we got the equation of tangent. So if basically p lies on the curve x1 comma y1, then the tangent, then the equation of tangent can be simply made by replacing x square with x1x, y square with y1y, xy with xy1 plus x1y by 2, and x with x plus x1 by 2, and y with y plus y1 by 2. You can also verify this with simply, like if with simply in this equation, if we replace x square with x x1, y square with y y1, and x with x plus x1 by 2, and y with y1 plus y2, then you can simply verify it. We got same equation. So this condition satisfy for all the second degree curve. So now if I give you one example, if you need to find the equation of tangent to a circle x square plus y square equal to 9, drawn parallel to x plus y equal to 10. Okay, if you need to find the equation of tangent drawn x square plus y square equal to 9 drawn parallel to this, so how you find it? If the tangent drawn parallel to this, so then the slope of this equation, by slope of the tangent is, we got slope of tangent here. So the slope of tangent from here is -1. And in previous video I told you, if you got the slope, then how you find the equation of tangent? With this formula only, y equal to mx plus minus r 1 plus m square. Okay, so let's write it. One second. So let's write r of 1 plus m square. So the r is 3, y equal to minus of x plus minus 3 root of 1 plus 1 root of 2. So this is the equation of tangent that is parallel to this. So, and why we got two tangent, as I already told you, you can also see with the figure. Let's say this is the x square plus y square equal to 9. This is the x axis, this is the y axis, and if we have the line that is parallel to the intercept this line x plus y equal to 10. So we got the two tangent parallel to this, basically this one and this one. So we got two tangent plus minus 3 root 2. Okay, but for example, if you need to find if you need to find the point, so like let's try to find the point of the equation. So let's say, let's from this equation we have, let's find this point like at which tangent is touch the circle. So let's say x plus y equal to plus minus 3 root 2. So let's square this both side. So we got x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 18. Okay, and as I already know, x square plus y square is 9. So x square plus y square is 9. So we got 2xy equal to 9. So we got x into y equal to 9. Okay, so we got xy equal to 9, and as we already know that the equation must satisfy this condition and this condition also. So means the equation means this point satisfy the this tangent and this circle also. So let's this do this y1, let's do y1 minus x1 का square. So what we got, y1 का square plus x1 का square minus 2y1 x1. Okay, so y1 का square plus x1 का square is 9 and minus 2 into x y x comma y is minus 2 into 9 by 2. So it is also 0. So we got y1 equal to x1. From here we got y1 equal to x1. So we got x is equal to 3 by root 2 and y is also plus minus 3 by root 2. So this point is 3 by root 2 comma 3 by root 2, and in third coordinate we got minus of 3 by root 2 comma minus of 3 by root 2. So if this point is given to you, for example, if the question is like this, if a tangent is drawn from 3 by root 2 comma 3 by root 2 and you have need to find the equation of the tangent drawn to this circle, so what you do, you simply know that you do x, you know that the equation of tangent is x1 plus y1 minus 9. This is the equation of tangent, and you simply put the 3 by root 2 in place of x1. 3 by root 2 x plus 3 by root 2 y equal to 9. So 3, 3 and 3. So what you got? X plus y equal to 3 root 2, which we already got with the slope also. So they just verify you, like if anything is given, like if slope is given, you can find, you would easily find the equation of the tangent, and if only the point is given from which the tangent is drawn to the circle, you can easily find the tangent. So thank you for watching. We will see more concept in the later videos. Thank you all.